Okay, I saw someone have an issue with their expenses not adding up in their monthly calculations. So if we look at the monthly calculations here and your expenses, you have to make sure you're putting the category into your expenses into one of these categories for it to be auto-calculated. So for example, we're going to do ads and marketing just because it's the first one here. We're going to our expenses log. We're going to type in any date. I'm going to put in 6/3/2025. I just put Amazon, and I'm going to put ads and marketing, and I'm just going to put $100. And then I'm going to do that again for another day. We're going to put, I don't know, Etsy, and then put another $50 in ads and marketing. Okay, let's see if it automatically calculates in monthly expenses. Yes. Now, if I had a budget of $300, it would say we have $150 left to use in the budget, and we've calculated $150 in expenses, but we still have a budget of $300, so that looks correct. All right, let's do auto repairs. Okay, let's go to expenses, auto repairs. So we're going to do the 1st of 2025 is June. We'll put, let's say, Shell gas station. We did like a auto repair there, maybe an oil change, and we'll put $99. We'll do another day. Let's see, we went in and did window repair, so we'll just say a random auto repair shop, auto repairs, and we spent $20 on that. Let's see if that formulates here in the monthly calculations. Yep, and let's say we had a budget of $100, but we went over $19. Now, if we scroll down, let's see if that's calculating. That looks right. So, I'm not exactly sure what experience you're having with not auto calculating. Please be more detailed. Hopefully this helps to maybe resolve your issue, just dependent on what category you're inputting in. Okay, here's another thing. So if you're in your category list and you have your expenses here and you created a new one, a new category, right? Let's just say miscellaneous. I already have that on here, so we'll just put a second. 3, miscellaneous 3. Okay, we're going to go to monthly calculations and we're going to add that here, delete other 1 and put miscellaneous 3 added in. So if you're putting that in your expenses log as a miscellaneous 3, it should be coming up as auto calculated too. So let's see. Yep, perfect. Okay, hope that helps. Okay, bye.